FireIce Shield, a revolutionary new product designed specifically to block heat transfer and reduce the risk of accidental charring, burning, and ignition of flammable materials. FireIce Shield Asset Protection Spray is extremely versatile and able to thoroughly coat and adhere to virtually any surface. Insulation, wood, copper piping, wiring, and hot burning metals are only a small portion of the flammable materials FireIce Shield can protect. Untreated, these flammable materials can easily ignite during hot work, creating an unsafe and dangerous work environment and exposing homes and businesses to the risk of fire. FireIce Shield provides ample protection for everything from tightly soldered parts to the most fiercely burning metals. When treated, FireIce Shield Spray protects these highly flammable materials from intense heat while also blocking heat transfer. When cutting and welding, sparks and welding spatter are a common occurrence. FireIce Shield Spray protects against fall-off that may occur while cutting and welding. Additionally, FireIce Shield Spray instantly cools hot metals to the touch after cutting and welding. For more information on FireIce Shield, contact us at 844-342-3347 or visit us online at fireicesolutions.com.